This is Tommy Walton, and I am demoing the research done in the spring semester of 2010 undergraduate research with Microsoft Surface. Here we have an app where you can display both documents written by professors as well as student schedules. If you see on the right, there's a place where we can drop a Notre Dame ID, and if that ID has a byte tag on the back of it, it'll pull up a student schedule. If we hit the home button, it'll take us back to the front. And over here we have a list of buttons. They're sorted based on author as well as topic of all the documents that we have. So if we pick a single author, then it will pull up any documents that we have written by that particular author. In this case, we have two by James Paul Gee. If we go back to the top, we could also pull up papers based on their topic, or we can just pull them all up at the same time. And these buttons here, they're all generated automatically based off of an XML file that contains a list of all of the file names as well as the authors and the topics for each file. Here we have a set of covers for each of the documents that we have, and they are displayed spread out like a magazine fan in a 270-degree rotation. We can view each of the covers by moving around them with one finger, and as you see in the top left, the metadata for each one pops up once we bring it to the top. We also have the option of grabbing one with two fingers, which will let us move it around. And if we decide to drop it over here on the display icon, it'll pull up that document and let us browse through it and read it. We can hit the close button and that'll close it back up. And if we pull one of these over to the print icon, that'll call up a print function, which will be able to call a printer and print the document. And we can always go back to the top and start over from there. That is the research that was done in the spring of 2010.